In public, it's hard to say your most embarrassing moment, right? And then our brother from our reverend brother Aku, he stood up and he shared about his most embarrassing moment, you know. And he stood up.
Now this is Aku.
Yeah. Now Reverend Aku. Me, myself. He came, you know. Let me tell my embarrassing moment. The first time I was in America, I arrived in Chicago airport, Ohio. You know, what is that? Is it the biggest or? I think it's the biggest in Asia. In Asia, no, in America, right? In Ohio, right? Yeah, and the biggest, one of the second biggest in the world, and it was huge, man. And you know what? I stood in the counter and this guy was looking at my passport. And he couldn't believe that I was Indian. And then he looked at me, he asked, "Are you Indian?" I said, "Yes, I'm Naga." And then I feel so embarrassed. And then they called I told, okay, I'm invited by one organization. You can call my director. Straight away he took the phone and he called my director. And of course my director said, okay, is this guy said, oh blah blah blah, is this your guy? Yes, of course. That's our boy, yes. I feel so embarrassed. You know, I'm from Nagaland. I feel so embarrassed. Okay, that's my story. I don't really know if it's embarrassing or not. Okay. Because I think the past few days I was watching the YouTube.com. You know, it's a video online. You can watch any.